Hi everybody. Awesome worse. It's the 9th day of this countdown. So today I decided to make a little Santa, and this is the example from the video that I followed on YouTube. Now I didn't have the exact yarn that she used. So I used what I had on hand because I decided not to buy yarn just to make ornaments, but use like scrap yarn I had. So this is what I made using some of the different scrap yarn that I had. I think it came out really cute. And since it didn't have like any tail or anything, we're going to use the stick to put right in the middle. Yep. So this is what the ornament looks like. And we'll stick it. Where should Santa go? We'll stick Santa. I don't want to put him there. We'll stick Santa right here. No, I don't like it. We'll stick him here for now. I may change my mind and move him, but he's right there. Okay, so we did the pony advent calendar. So let's do the candy today first. So for the 9th day, let's find it. It is... Am I getting old? Nice. It's Santa Claus. All right, so let's see what they got for Santa. Maybe Santa's a different shape. Nope. Santa's an egg too. All right, so that's that. And then, let's see. For our pony advent calendar, day 9. Let's see the goodies we have. Oh, it's a smaller box. So this is the box for day 9. I want to have it upside down. Oh. I can honestly say I don't know. But these are cute. Oh, I'm sorry. And that's the other one. So I got 2 in here. I'll see what the description says. 2 stitch markers colored with vegetable dyes. Enjoy making your rose with these beautiful markers. Oh, so these are stitch markers. I've never used stitch markers quite like this before. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, that's so cool. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Did I give you I gave you the movie suggestion and song suggestion. So I hope you have a wonderful night. Bye.